I can feel time pressures, damaging, passes us by, and we know till it's gone. Time pressures, damaging, passes us by, feeling pour a glass of wine, watch the setting sun settle in. Fade into the night, another day is waiting to begin. In the still golden evening.
My dearest Soliana, 10 years ago, we embarked on a journey that began in Ethiopia, where we married surrounded by friends and family. Our love story, woven together with shared dreams and adventures, has since taken us around the world. Today, surrounded by the love of our two beautiful daughters, Gabriella and Gloria, who have brought immeasurable joy and laughter to our lives, I reaffirm my commitment to you, my love. I choose you again, Soliana, not just as my wife, but as my best friend, my partner in crime, and the mother of our precious children. Here's to the next 10 years and all the adventures they hold. I love you more than words can say.
My love, 10 years ago, we trusted the love we had for each other and began our marriage journey. Today, I stand here on all the life we have built. Through every day, through every joy and challenge, you have been my rock. Here's to the past 10 years, to the present future filled with more love, more laughter, and more beautiful memories together. I love you now and always.